That's my girl Cynthia. Hopefully I can get something good with her. The first game I ever played was Pokemon Diamond when I was, I believe, 12. Yes, I started late. I wasn't able to play video games when I was younger. So I got a little bit older. The struggle. Come on. Okay. Well, if this isn't an epic fail, I don't know what is. Oh, that is a cool Electivire. Look at that. That is so cool. That is real cool. Focus. Or not. That's real cool. I love that. Sandwich. I like sandwiches. A little Zubat Team Rocket. Hypno. Sacred Ash. Pinsir. I've noticed a lot of these are older cards. Isn't it? There's Roselia. Cynthia's. There's a Porygon. There's Heat Rotom, which is kind of funny because I just got the grass one. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to keep that. Oh, so that is a newer one. I haven't played that game yet. The last game I played was Ultra Sun, Ultra Moon. I did buy ZA. So can't wait to play that. And then a free card. And then a basic energy. Thank you all. Bye-bye.